Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Duration School, Morningside. Today I am going to take ICT class for the students of class 9 under the topic chapter 4, page 56 to 59. I am repeating, today our topic is chapter 4, page 56 to 59. Students, this is lecture number 3 and there is no homework for today's class. Now students, please take your textbook. I am going to read from your text. So let's start. Our today's topic is 4th chapter, name, my writings and accounts. So after completing this chapter, we will be able to explain the important aspects of a word processor, describe the technique of using a word processor, explain the important aspects of a spreadsheet, identify the fields of using a spreadsheet, describe the technique of using a spreadsheet, edit by using a word processor, and keep the details of account by using a spreadsheet. My writing on word processor. Writing is a medium of expression. I'm repeating, writing is a medium of expression. Students, mark this line. We have to write for different needs. It might be a piece of literature like poem, short story, novel, diary, etc. In your daily life, we have to maintain different kinds of accounts, both big and small, like we have like expenditures of daily necessities, house rent and result sheet of examination, etc. Once writing and keeping these accounts were very difficult. But now we have a lot of softwares for doing these works due to the development of information and communication technology. These softwares are called office softwares. So all these softwares are called office softwares. These softwares can be used in our desktop, laptop and smartphone. So where we can use this? We can use these softwares in our desktop, laptop and smartphone. We have word processors for writing and spreadsheet analysis software. You have got a preliminary idea about this in the previous class. Now you will get advanced ideas regarding these topics. Writing of anything means bringing the imaginary world to reality in words. We know that human beings started the art of writing up to communicate their thoughts and their ideas and convey their imagination to others. Now ICT is being used in this work and the importance of word processing is immense in this regard. Something written is required for receiving and presenting information on television, mobile phone or computer. Now all types of writing are done by the help of the word processor. The word processor provides lots of facilities in terms of writing. So, the word processor we are using, it provides lots of facilities in terms of writing. So, what are they? First one is any correction in writing can be done immediately. Because of the varieties of editing options, any page of writing can be presented aesthetically. Number 2, a page of writing can be presented in different ways. For example, by enlarging or shortening the font size, coloring, making boxes, etc. Number 3, there are facilities of inserting new paragraphs, deleting parts, or rearranging the whole writing without composing the page of writing from the beginning. Number 4, a document can be more attractive by inserting photographs, graphs, tables, charts, etc. Number 5, a document can be saved and used again at any time. The same work needs not to be done repeatedly. And number 6, any part of document can be copied to another one if necessary. Next one is, it is possible on work with several documents simultaneously. By using find, click, place command, a word in a big document can be found and replaced quickly. Next, when a document is needed to use repeatedly, it can be saved as template to avoid the wastage of time. For example, if it is required to prepare lab report every week, it can be saved as template to use again and again. In a large document such as in a research paper, tables, references, images, bibliography, etc. can be inserted and edited within a very short time. Spelling errors can be corrected easily by the spell checker. Automatic correction of spelling is also possible in a word processor with its built-in programs. So students, when you write in your copy, it is quite impossible to make correction in your copy without cutting the word or sentence. But if you use word processor, it is easy to correct your mistake. Automatic correction of spelling is also possible in the word processor with its built in the programs. It is possible to print a document as many times as required by saving it. A document can be sent to any destination through the medium of electronic communication. Files prepared in word processor can be preserved easily. Files and an indispensable part of modern office management has become easier for the word processor. Besides, the word processing software provides more facilities. The number of users are gradually increasing day by day for its usefulness. In the previous class, you learned the process of creating and opening new document in word processor. Now we will learn some new techniques for which you need to use your previously earned knowledge and skills. Office buttons and its options. So, as you have learned in your earlier class, and now you will learn something new with your previous knowledge. And first one is office buttons and its options. A new window will open after running Word 2007. This window icon up to the left corner above the window is the office button. So you can see this is the, here also in this picture, you can see this is the option of office button. So the office button icon at the left corner above this window is the office button. The options you will find by clicking the button are shown in the following image. As I said, here you can see the office button. Here you can click and you can do your work. The following options are most important. First one is new. This button is to be clicked for opening a new document. Students, here you can see new. So if you click here, if you click in this button, you will get a new document. Next, open. It is to be clicked to open a document saved previously. And you can see the next one is open. So here we will click and we'll open a document saved previously. Next one, save. To save a document, its button is to be clicked. So if we want to save any document, we have to click this button that is called save. Next one, save as. This button is to be clicked to save a document in several different names, keeping the original one. So here you can see save as. So we have to click here to save a document in several different names, keeping the name of its original one. Last one is close. The button is to be clicked to close an open document. So if we click this button that is close, so our document will be closed. Next, formatting text, selecting font, style and color. You have already learned how to write using a word processor. What will be the impression of an organized page of writing is presented in a colorful way? Certainly it will look good. This task is called formatting text. So here you can see. So students, you have to learn this and you have to do in your computer, or you can use your laptop to practice more. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.